You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. A French thief and author, known to be one of the greatest, or most famous, let's say, art thief of history in the world. Stéphane, the French pronunciation, Stéphane Breitwieser. Stéphane Breitwieser. Therefore, in English, Stéphane Breitwieser. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.